The range of function defined as y is equal 4 to power x is less than or equal 0, greater than or equal 0, less than 0 or greater than 0. First, let's check what kind of function we have here. We have y is equal 4 to power x. Variable x is in exponent. So we have here exponential function, and now if you have calculator you can grab this function and you see the range. But if you don't have, you have to always memorize when the base is constant, the graph of exponential and in variable is its exponent, the graph of our function, let me draw xy plane, is something like this. This is y-axis, x-axis. Exponential function always pass point 0, 1, and what else? When exponent is positive, our function going up must pass point 0. This is point 0, 1, going up. When x is greater than 0. When x is negative number, then our function, we can write something like this, this y is equal 4 to power x. When x is negative, our function has to pass point 0, 1, and it's something like this. These two graphs are symmetrical about y-axis. This is y is equal 4 to power negative x. And now, if you memorize these two graphs, it's very easy to find the range. When we have to find the range, we always walking on the y-axis, and we see when the graph start. This part that going to, we have values are going to positive or negative infinity. But the value of y are very close to 0, but never pass the x-axis on the right side or on the left. They are very close to 0, but this is point 0, 0, value 0, but never pass this x-axis. So we can write that the values are greater than 0. They never touch this x-axis. And what else? We see that the values going up. For point 0, 1, the value is 1. Next, the value will be 2, 3, 4, and so on. They are going to infinity. So we can write that the range of exponential function is always greater than 0. The graphs never pass x-axis. They are very close, these values, on the right or on the left side, but they never pass. So we have that the values of our function are greater always than 0. In other words, when we have to find the range of function, we are looking for y, always for y when we are looking for range. We see that x we can substitute by every real number, because 4 we can raise to negative 1 power, we can raise to power 5, we can raise to power 1/2, and so on. X can be every real number, so the domain of the exponential function y equals 4 to x is all real numbers. We can take every real number from negative infinity to positive infinity. X can be every real number, and the value always will be positive. The range is always y is greater than 0. Never past the x-axis. So the solution will be for y is greater than 0.